How to delete all Google search history. Hi everyone and welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to delete all Google search history. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your Chrome, Safari or any web browser that you want, and then simply proceed to google.com. Once you're here, make sure that you have signed in to your account. And once you have signed in, simply click on Manage your Google account by clicking on your profile found on the upper right corner. Click on Manage your Google account and then go to Data and Privacy right here. Once you're in Data and Privacy, scroll down and look for History Settings. And then click on Web and App Activity. And then right here, the web and app activity saves your activity on Google Sites. So this includes your searches. So you may turn this off so that in the future, your searches will be not saved anymore. And then you may also choose auto delete right here if you want to automatically delete your web and app activity which are older than 3 months, 18 months, 36 months. And then if you want to delete it right now or right away, click on Manage All Web and App Activity. And then scroll down and click on Filter by Dates and Product. And then make sure to choose All Time and simply check the box right beside Select All. Hit Apply on the lower right corner and then click delete on the upper right section right here. Click on delete on the lower right corner and then that's it. As you can see, deletion complete. So as we go back to google.com, you may not be able to see your recent searches right here. So that's it. That's how you can delete all Google search history. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.